And welcome everyone. This machine is called a typewriter. This is what we used long ago, us as humans used long ago, to get our writing done, homework, books, office work, and household list. This particular model is a 1965. It is a Royal Light ultra portable typewriter made in Holland. One of the final models of this machine that was made of metal. They all went to plastic. The convenient thing about typewriters, much like a laptop, is that you get a carrying case. This one is leather with a metal buckle and little footsie-wootsies, making this machine easy to take wherever you wanted to go, whether it be to the library, to school, back and forth from your dorm room, on vacation, or a simple trip to the park like I do. I go to the park quite often with this machine to do my poetry writing because it's very calming. And people might wonder, why on earth would someone my age want a machine as old as this? Well, computers are fun, they're convenient, and they're very full of functions that you use for daily life, such as your emailing and your typing, or to do anything else to write with, or research. But computers make a lot of noise. They have a bright screen and full of distractions because of multiple open tabs. This has one job: to write. With a little ink ribbon inside. You put your paper in, you roll it in, hold it in place, and you type. Also, another convenient thing about these machines is, because if you have to go somewhere with it, and as old as they are now, and even back then they were still fragile, it has a carriage lock, meaning it has a little button that you can lock your carriage so it doesn't move when you're traveling in this, so you won't break the drawstring on it. And when you're ready to use it, you'll just flip that switch up, and it will move. And once you lock it in place, it'll space it forward until you get to right to where it's even. They're very convenient for when you want to write without distractions. Especially someone like me with ADHD and autism, I can become very distracted if I'm looking at a bright screen and a bunch of open tabs. So what I do is I keep this thing on hand for when I want to write my books, my poetry, and once I have everything written, then I go to the computer and I write what I've written already, because I can focus on that. Because I already got the rough draft of it already done with this machine. So what are you waiting for? Go on out and buy yourself a typewriter. You can get them on eBay, at flea markets, yard sales. Etsy even sells them refurbished. Lots of money. You'll get them cheaper on eBay. This one cost me $90. On Etsy you're looking at about $400. But they are quite expensive because they are quite sought after because of people like Tom Hanks who also love them. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Cheers.